Right. Colin is holding the plain print Snowy Owl, and I've done a couple of things because we've already done a maiden flight, but it was absolutely hairy. So I've put carbon strip around this to make this a bit more rigid, and underneath I've put carbon tube over the horns, over the push rods, so they don't flex. That's about all I can do, but this is heavy, relatively heavy, because it's pre-foamed PLA. Pre-foamed lightweight PLA, that is. Okay to hand launch. Thank you. We better go quite far out, Colin. Oh, it's straight down now. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Thanks, mate.
No problem.
It is, isn't it? Plus it's flying a lot faster. Oh yeah. It's nothing like the Great Gull, that's for sure. Oh. Let's try it gliding. See, gliding, it's okay. Maybe it's a thrust line issue. Yeah, it is, yeah. Is he down? Oh.
Right on the very, very edge.
God. Yes. God. Total handful. I didn't think that would last very long. Strange. Because when it was glide, no power, it was pretty okay, but not under power. It was like there was a thrust line issue. But never mind. Never mind, because I have printed one out of proper active foaming lightweight PLA, and I'll get that one together. Oh well.
Low level, isn't it?
Yeah, things are being bumped around, yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Saw a predator and thought, I'm gonna get out of here. Oh, weird. I wonder what was going on there.